Hey, welcome. I'm Mark Builds Lego, and we're back with another Lego City Safari set. This one, 60426. It's officially called the Jungle Explorer Truck. As you can see, a nice little big off-road truck here. We got a tiger. How cool is that? I will admit though, out of the Safari new sets that are coming out, the animal minifigs, look at that. Like they're looking absolutely great. We had some great little baby crocodiles, some big crocodiles. We were going to build the little safari buggy with the red panda, but I'll get into the story of that when we get the new video of that. We opened the box, only half of the set was there, so I reached out to Lego about it. We'll see what we're gonna get back from that. But other than that, we're gonna be building this. Here's the back of the box. Nice little set as well. We're looking for this. Oh, it looks like it's got the frog in here too, or something like that. But let's start building.
Welcome.
All right, so we've completed building the Jungle Explorer truck. We're gonna get into the bit of let's check it out. Let's see what this is all about. Let's zoom into this little set. Here we have it. Here we have the nice little truck. It's got a nice little camera on it. We have at least 3 minifigures. One's inside the truck right now driving. We got another one on the back of the payload, and we got this little guy on here with the little feeding bottle for the tiger, which is in his little cubby hole here. All in all, great looking set. I really do like the tiger. The tiger really does look good. The truck is pretty solid. We'll get into that in a second, but as you can see, I'll just zoom in here. There you go. There's the tiger in his little habitat and stuff like that. We got a little frog at the very top here as well. We got some nice little flowers and stuff like that. The tiger, you don't even have to assemble him. He came pretty much all pre-built. He's got a movable back end and a movable head to go up and down. That's pretty much about it, but pretty standard little forwards, little cave and stuff like that you can build and stuff like that on the side. As well, here's the brave little safari guy with his little feeder bottle for the tiger. And here we go. Here is the little truck. It's front heavy. There's not much into the back here. The little payload in the back does go down and stuff like that. Nice set of wheels on it. I just noticed that I have one of the wheels on backwards. There we go. We're good. There's little containers on the side of the truck. As you can see, there's a banana hiding in this one. Other side as well. I put some more little miscellaneous. There's a bone, microphone, and some binoculars in there. They don't really stay closed too well. Just a heads up on that. So it does tend to fall off. The roof can be popped right off. Very modular type thing. We have the driver in there with the camera in front of their face. There's a little first aid thing in the back here. There's like a little monitoring station as well for the camera. So to give you that illusion that whatever the camera's looking at, that's what you can see on the panel. Nice little ladder on the top. We got some headlights on the top for the fog. A nice little grill with some lights and stuff like that. All in all, the minifigs, awesome prints on the minifigs itself. Really good. I'm gonna put this guy on the roof, make him a little bit more adventurous there. But there you have it. Nice little Jungle Explorer truck. Fully recommend it. I think it's a great little set. I like the color scheme and stuff like that. There's only 3 stickers out of the whole thing to put on. A couple of little printed pieces and stuff like that. They're pretty cool. As I said, the tiger is the steal of the show. Great little animal minifig. It's a great little build. Fully recommend it. As I said, again, thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned. We got some more of the new Safari sets coming and a bunch of other stuff as well. Again, thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next build.